The third seal option that's available is a single mechanical seal configuration. We'll go over the components. You've got your rotating seal, shaft O-ring. On a mechanical seal, your shaft O-ring goes to the rear groove of the shaft. Install your rotating seal with the seal pin aligning with your shaft pin. Make sure it's seated. The back side of your body, you have a body O-ring. Install with lubricant. Wave spring in your inner seal. Install your wave spring with the gap over the seal pin. Install into your body. Make sure it's seated. Check for spring tension. Once that's installed, you can install your body. Install your body, tighten your body retaining bolts, seal assembly is installed. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.